The Tesla Semi is not just a truck, it's a transformation in the logistics industry. We're looking at a vehicle that aims to redefine how goods are transported, combining efficiency, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. The progress at the factory is a glimpse into a future where emissions are drastically reduced and the cost of operation is slashed. Imagine a world where electric trucks dominate our highways. The Tesla Semi is designed with range and performance in mind, boasting an impressive capability to travel long distances without the need for constant charging. This is crucial for businesses that rely on timely deliveries, and it could lead to a significant shift in the trucking economy. As we see advancements in battery technology and production capacity, it's exciting to think about how this will affect not just the trucking industry, but the environment as well. A cleaner, greener approach to transport could pave the way for a more sustainable future. The implications of this technology extend beyond just the vehicle itself. It's about creating an ecosystem that supports renewable energy and innovation. With the demand for electric vehicles rising, Tesla's commitment to this vision could be the catalyst that changes everything. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI.